Did you do that?
Yeah.
That was you, can you do it again, please?
I don't know whether it's just...
There's a little girl opened the door, never
It's
seen
just
anything like this
moving as it's
before.
going. Come on. I just need it to stand still. It's just being pulled.
Yeah.
You can feel the weight. Put your finger behind there and feel it being pulled. Just feel it. Feel it?
Yeah.
You feel the weight going in. Now that... Did you close that?
Well, this is... There you go.
Do you want to get out of the room? Really pull it open, please. That'll do, that'll do. Go on, open it again. If you want to get out of that room, open it again. Final time, please. It's moved about an inch.
It's rocking.
It's rocking. Really open it. Really open it, please. You can't do that 4 or 5 times, can you?
Can you make a scan, please?
I'm tempted to wedge it from the other side.
No, but you can see... You can
It
see the
moves
breeze
back
trying
and
to push
forward,
it back this
but
way.
you could feel the weight on the tip of your finger pulling it open.
You saw like a piece of paper to jam.
We can all go inside and try that. There's nobody out there, all of us can come inside.
Yeah, you can see the doorway.
Breathe on the lock of the net, so I put the lid up.
Yeah, it's breathing in there.
Yeah.
So was it a backdraft vacuum? It's not going up in the attic,
No,
is it?
it's
So what
going
about
that, it's
this?
going that way.
The hinges are all good on that as well.
Just coming in, Phil. We're
Yeah,
just going to
it's
try. I'm going to try and put the torch.
Do you want me to
Yeah.
jam it with that?
No, coming in, coming in. You can do what you need to do. Wait, who's that? Still going.
So you can see the breeze is naturally going that way, look.
Yeah.
Now the breeze is coming from that side and push. I can feel the breeze there now. That is wedged. Go on, I'll be impressed now. Go on, open the door for us, please. You want to get out of this room? Oh, shudder. Mind me to wash my hands because it's a bit dirty.
Got mad.
Mad. That's
Do you want us to leave this room?
That's just saying it's mad.
Yeah. Are you mad in this room? Do you want to get out? Go on, pull that door towards us. Please. Debunk that. My light again. Keep forgetting I haven't got my jacket on.
It's out up there.
Do you hear that? Do you hear the tapping then? Is that another door?
It sounded
Sounds like
like
a
a
door. Thud on it. I think what we can do, we'll go right back down the corridor. We'll try and keep the doors closed. And we'll see what happens again. We're definitely drawn to the doors. There's somebody trying to get out this room. Come on. I feel sick as well.
I don't like this one. So I feel fine in this room. No, I don't like it.
I feel like indigestion.
indigestion. I was getting the...
You was getting that. You was getting that.
Woven or woven.
It's woven.
Yeah.
Way! Excellent.
Lucky
Now
there's
that
still
was,
one
how
in
long's that
there.
been wedged?
Yeah. There you go.
Well done. Did you jump then, investigator?
No, it's moved
No,
back.
he just moved back.
I didn't run.
You didn't run, you stepped back.
Was that a dig at me there?
Was that a dear me?
Yeah, you were saying about them.
Can you do it again for us, please? Again, how long's that been settled? And it's been saying doors, doors, doors. I was surprised that moved that time, because that is wedged. I mean, it didn't jump, but what I mean is, when it started going, and there's no draft coming in here now at the minute.
I just didn't want to see what was on the other side of the door.
Is that what you was drawn to?
There was something over the other side.
Are you the tall male on the other side? Goosebumps when I said that.
Yeah. Absolutely shivering.
We've left all the K2s out there, haven't we?
Yeah.
There we go, look at that. The tall male, you trying to get in the room to affect somebody in here.
What's it saying now?
That was just a notification.
Oh, right.
Are you drawn to the lady in here? Are you after Kel?
He's kneeling down though.
He is. Is he listening on the other side? Is he listening? Come on, come in and work with us again. You want us out of this room, you don't want us to get to the bottom of the story. Have you throttled somebody in here? Have you got somebody round the throat in here?